Hi folks, I'm Frank Baylor from General RV. I've been here with this dealership for 45 years. It's my honor to bring you this beautiful coach. It's a 2024. It's a Fleetwood Discovery. It is a 40M, bath and a half floor plan. Follow me, let's take a quick walk through the outside and then we'll walk inside with it. Love the paint job, neutral base colors, charcoal, silverish color scheme. So it's very easy to the eye. Tons of storage on the outside. This coach is even equipped with the MotorHome slide out tray. And on that tray is gonna be a little outside refrigerator freezer. Nice thing about this, it's on the raised rail chassis. You have two slide out storage tray with side swing compartment doors. Great for putting like lawn chairs on, maybe a toolbox, heavier items. You could slide it out either side. This is also equipped with the outside TV. Look at the size of that. It's a gigantic TV. It's actually a Samsung, so it's name brand. Goes down, it locks into place. Nice topper awning, full length awning located on the roof of the unit as well. And there's just more storage as you keep going around, lots of bays. So on this coach, it has a 380 Cummins horsepower. It's an Allison 6-speed transmission. Great for towing whatever you want. It's got a nice mud flap across the back. On the back, this coach is equipped with a 12,000-pound hitch. You get a ladder, there's a second piece that attaches to this if you want. It is the LXE series, it's absolutely stunning interior. Topper awnings over top the slides. It also has a metal fusion that runs along the roof cavity of this unit. The nice thing about that is as you're actually standing at the side, you're not looking at your air conditioners and all that. It kind of hides what's up on the roof. Got docking lights for nighttime hooking up. So this is going to be your sewer bay. Everything is heated. So if you did want to use it during the winter, you could do that. This unit's also equipped with the diesel heating and hot water system. So that's going to give you continuous flow of hot water. And that access for the exhaust is up in the front with the generator. This is a diesel generator on board. You got your large oversized power heated mirrors. Cameras are built right into the top, which gives you great visibility of coming down, looking at what's next to you. One-piece windshield. One really nice thing is that the windshield wipers are located way up high, so they're up out of the way. A lot of companies put them down low, taking visibility out of your sight. Let's go inside, let's take a look at this coach. So this coach is built on a Freightliner chassis. It's got air brakes, air suspension, which really makes the ride and handling awesome. Love to take you out for a ride. It's got the power recliners. They also have little lights built in around the cup holders, kind of nice looking. The interior color scheme on this is grays and white, so it's very residential styling, which is big in the house market today. This is a sleeper sofa bed. Nice thing about this is this does pull out to an actual sleeper for another couple to stay on board. You got the televator TV with the sound bar on top of it, lots of storage. Love all the overhead lighting systems that they use. Freestanding dinette, this table does pull out. There are two more folding chairs that come with it. Large oversized windows, and they're jalousie style windows, which is really nice because it allows you to put that window out. If it starts to rain, you're away at the beach for the day, you don't have to worry about water coming in. As we go over to the galley area, solid surface countertops, large window. This is an all electric coach. So the nice thing about that is you can go through tunnels. It's actually very simple to use. This does have the Fisher-Paykel dishwasher system in it, which is nice, so allowing you to use it for dishes. Some people just use it as a bread drawer. It's up to you, whatever you decide. It has a farm sink, stainless steel, one piece, so you can fit a nice sized plate in there. You're not worried about a two-piece. Makes it also nice because you have all these covers that go across. Oversized Whirlpool microwave oven. This has the bake oven in it and an air fryer, very similar to what you'd have in a house. This has that option as well. The pantries are roll-out pantries, so you can go ahead and put anything from a box of cereal to a can of tuna fish in here, and they just roll out, and you have two of those, which makes it nice. So you got one lower, one higher. Residential refrigerator, it's LG appliance with water through the door right there. Then the roll-out freezer down below with nice maker built right in. So let's just continue through. It's got heated tile floors, central vacuum cleaning, large oversized wardrobes. You have one on the right, one on the left. TV built in, it's an LG TV, lots of drawer space for socks and underwear and miscellaneous. King bed, really does make it nice, lots of room, and you have room to get around the side of the bed, which is also very nice. All your light switches, you can actually see are up underneath here. You can turn them on and off. As you walk into the master bathroom, I love the color scheme in here. This unit has a his and hers sink. Love the shower stall. It's got a built-in seat. It's got an adjustable shower head in it as well. Private toilet back in the back area. Gives you lots of room so you're not stepping over top of washer and dryer. Speaking of that, this unit is equipped with that. It's a over top whirlpool and whirlpool down below. Thank you for joining me today with this RV, this Fleetwood Discovery. If you have more questions, join us at GentalRV.com.